Hello everyone, I'm Priya. Welcome back to my channel Beautify Your Place. Today I'll be making an abstract painting in this book. I'll be talking more about this in this video. So, this is a birdhouse using primary colors, very simple and beautiful. Let's see how to do this. Ta-da! This is my favorite content. I'll not be making you bored. We'll be doing in minutes. This is an abstract painting made of acrylic colors. First, I have made a simple sketch, the house and a tree, and applied water. The background, I have added different shades of green to make the background. Now, layer by layer, I started getting details of the birdhouse. First yellow, white, orange, and now on top of white, I am adding this blue. The door is made of brown, and this nest is made on the tree. So backside I have made a big trunk of a tree and some detailed portions like creeper with flowers I started adding. This is an abstract painting. That means it doesn't represent accurate picture but instead use shapes, colors, forms and gesture to achieve its effect. I took 10 to 15 minutes to complete this painting. So this art gives a freedom to explore your art and gives a meaning to your piece. So later I started giving details to the flower portion with outside white acrylic and giving some details inside with brown and yellow portion at the center of flower. The background, whatever the green shades are done with a flat brush number 8 and the detailed portions are done with round brush and other with small flat brush. Like this video, share and subscribe to my channel and continue watching. The center portion for the flower is done with a waste brush which is very hard bristles. So whenever the brush is not in good use, please don't throw it. So this will come in use for such portions. Now I'm just finishing the background, some detail with other light colors of yellow and orange. Now I started giving the leaf portion for this creeper. Just add 2 to 3 leaves for each flower and give the connection from one flower to other flower with a thin stem. So I'll be using dark sap green. So later I'll be adding detailed portion for this leaf. Always try any medium of painting like acrylic, oil painting, water painting. Please try in a thicker sheet or a good canvas. The painting always stay good when you do on a canvas sheet which is having higher GSM. Now I trace a simple sketch with pencil of bird parrot. In my upcoming videos, I'll show from scratch how to make your own canvas with things available at home. You can check my description box to buy all these materials online: acrylic paint, brushes and canvas book or sheet. Please check out my description box. Share this video with your little ones to make their hands dirty and to get a colorful painting. Now it's time to give detailed portion for the complete picture. For the bird, I am adding a black dot for the eye and red acrylic paint for beak. And for the bigger tree, I just gave some dots with a round brush with different shades of green to complete the bigger tree. And the creeper portion, I just add a curvy lines to give a texture for creeper. So the complete painting is ready like this. You can try in minutes. I hope you got some ideas about abstract painting. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Beautify Your Place.